Fellow riders, today I'm introducing an impressive product, the Y3 APP Mini Lens. With 70 watts high power, as the name suggests, this is a VEHIC-LE, light controllable via a mobile app. With it, you can effortlessly perform various operations right on your phone. Quickly adjust color temperature, freely tweak brightness levels whether for different weather conditions or usage scenarios. One-touch control is all it takes. You can even precisely fine-tune brightness percentages under specific color temperatures. Plus, it features 3 strobe flash modes, perfect for giving those inconsiderate drivers who refuse to dim their high beams a wake-up call. Next, I'll demonstrate the installation and usage tutorial. Simply scan the QR code on the product driver to install the app. Once installed, enable Bluetooth and open the app. Then, turn on the lights, they'll connect automatically. After successful pairing, explore all lighting adjustment modes, color temperature, brightness, weather-specific presets, and more, all at your fingertips. Alright, now let's explain how to disassemble and install an H4 bulb. The disassembly and installation methods are identical for both car and motorcycle light assemblies. And for this demonstration, I'm using a motorcycle assembly. Step 1. First, unplug the H4 connector. Step 2. Press down on the locking ring to unlock it. Step 3. Remove the bulb. Step 4. Take out our Y3 mini lens. Step 5. Directly install the bulb into the assembly. Step 6. Press down the locking ring to secure it. Step 7. Install the lower part. Paying attention to the orientation, make sure to install it according to the video, light direction, and simply plug in the chip module. Finally, plug in the H4 connector to complete the installation. If the light height isn't suitable after installation, you can manually adjust it up or down until it's at the proper height. Then tighten the screw with a screwdriver. Once installed, freely customize lighting effects via your phone. Compared to traditional methods, app-based adjustments are far more precise at the exact brightness you desire. In extreme weather, just tap the corresponding scenario in the app for instant, hassle-free adaptation. The Y3 App Mini Lens isn't just powerful, it's crafted with premium materials and integrates core technologies, boasting a high-end, sleek exterior. Its HD glass lens ensures uniform light distribution and high efficiency, adding solid protection to your journeys.